The HTTP error 508 loop detected means that the server doesn't ever get to actually fulfill the request because the logic is recursive and looping in on itself. In general, it's a pretty easy fix. As always, we highly suggest reloading the page with Control or Command-Shift-R to bypass the cache. If the error persists, then let's try something else. If you use a plugin like WP Rocket, just go into the settings and find the buttons that let you clear the cache, delete files, and/or regenerate CSS. And if you have a Cloudflare or another CDN account, you will be able to go into the settings and find the cache purge option. If neither of those solve the issue, then you need to check your htaccess file. You'll need to use your FTP client and code editor or access your site's web-based file manager. Go through each link that you have here, especially if you're using relative links, and make sure that none of them are recursive. The same should be done if you use a plugin like 301 Redirect. Make sure that you go into the plugin settings and check all the URLs. If none of that helps and the resources are still looping, it's time to contact your host. They should be able to sort it out from their end. The other 508 error that users and admins have to deal with is the resource limit reached message. And this one is pretty self-explanatory. Your website has reached the top of its allotted resources on the server. There are a number of reasons that this can happen, but the first place you should check is your cPanel or dashboard. There will be a full list of stats regarding your server, and if you see something spike or space filling up, that's a good indication as to what's happening. Otherwise, it could be a few things. You're being DDoS attacked, you legitimately get a ton of traffic, your site is infected with malware, or you have unknown scripts, cron jobs, and unused or outdated plugins. Each of these have different solutions, which you can learn more about in the blog post linked in the description. At the end of the day, an easy solution, regardless of cause, is to always contact your host. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.